I'm doing Encore at Sunset Elementary.
Encore Camp is, I would say, fun first and foremost. The kids get to choose from a variety of classes. We have things from cooking and sports and even a fashion and design class this year.
It's fun because I've made a lot of new friends and I get to see all of my other friends.
I go to Censor Yay, and where in the world is San Diego?
They just have an opportunity to do a variety of things, and it just really kind of opens them up to new stuff.
I get to see school a different way.
I get to see my friends and I get to be at school.
That is a huge compliment to us and what the teachers are doing when the kids are so excited to be here. It just is a great opportunity to experience new things.